Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel World 3A and 3B Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word 3A and 3B simulation exams, click the start and open the Word 3A and 3B simulation exam. So open the Word 3A and 3B simulation exam. Is click the launch and open the exam. So total question is 24 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is select the entire document and then change line and paragraph spacing 2.0 and then spacing after 0 point. So select the entire documents and change the line and paragraph spacing 2.0 and spacing after 0 point. So select the alt text and next is line and paragraph spacing 2.0 and next is and the spacing after 0 point. So open the paragraph dialog box and spacing after is 0 point and click OK. Next is at the top of the document type the history of is Iceland and press enter. So top the document. So type the top of the document, type the history. So type the history of Ills, Ills and Iceland. So type the Iceland and press enter. So type the Iceland and press enter. Next is center the title, the history of its islands. So select the title and go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and click the center. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2, open the question number 2. In the header area, type the Davis and press spacebar and then insert the page number in the current position using the plan number. So insert the header and footer. So type the spacebar is a header and insert the page number of current position and using the plan number. So edit the header. So go to the insert tabs and next is header and footer groups. So click the edit headers and type the Davis. So type the Davis and next is press space bars and then insert the page numbers in the current position using the plan number styles. So go to the header and footer groups and click the page numbers and go to the header and footer groups and click the page numbers. So page numbers, insert the page number current position in the plan style. So click the current position and plan number 1 and click OK. Next is apply the right line and then close the headers. So apply the align right and then close the header. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the align right and close the header. So go to the header and footer tabs and click the close the header and footer. Next is starting with the paragraph that begins. First open and select the all report text and set the 0.5 first line indent, and no, do not apply the indent to the footnote at the end of the document. So starting the paragraph begin is the first opens, begin is the first open and select the all report text and 0.5 first indent, and do not apply the indents footnote and then end of the documents. So starting with the paragraph and so select the all text and first open in cell select the all report text and 0.5 first line indents, and do not apply the indent to the footnote and then end of the documents. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups. So starting with the paragraph that began first opening. So select the first open in 1892. So select the all text and next is select the all text reports and set to 0.5 first line indents, and do not apply the indent to the footnote at the end of the document. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and open the paragraph dialog box, and next is report the text and set the 0.5 first line indent. So special, click the special arrow and click the first line indents is by 0.5 and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in the fifth line of the paragraph that began first open in the to the right of the periods. After that word is method, insert the footnote with the text before the federal governments began regulating immigration and after the passing the Immigration Act of 1891 individual states and then responsibility. Be sure to type the period at the end of the footnotes. So insert a footnote in the fifth line of the paragraph. So fifth line of the paragraph, fifth line of the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So insert the footnote in the to right of the periods. After that method, insert the footnote with the text before federal government began and regulating the immigration after passing that Immigration Act of 1891 individual states and had the responsibility. So insert the footnotes in the period of right of the period. After then method and insert the footnotes. So go to the reference tabs and go to the footnote groups and click the insert a footnote. So type the before the federal government began regulating immigration after passing the Immigration Act of 1891 individual state as the responsibility. So type the before the federal government. Federal government began regulating immigration after passing the immigration act of act of 1891. Type the comma and type the individual state had the responsibility and type the periods. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is modify the footnote text styles to include the font size of 11 points in the first line of 0.5 and double spacing close all dialog box. So modify the footnote text styles to include the font size is 11 points with the first line 0.5 and double spacing close the dialog box. Right clicks and click the style and modify the footnote style to include the font size to 11 points. So click the modify and font size to 11, include the font size to 11 and first line of 0.5. So click the format tabs and click the paragraphs. So paragraph spacing is first line of 0.5. So click the spatial is first line is 0.5 and next is and the double spacing and close all the dialog box and line spacing is double line spacings and click OK and again OK and click the apply. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is on the reference tab in the situation bibliography group set the style to MLA. Go to the reference tabs and in the citation and bibliography group set the style to MLA. So go to the citation and bibliography groups and style is to MLA. So click the style is to MLA and next step is in the paragraph that began on its first to left of the period at the end of the paragraph insert the citation for news source and the source is book author is Walter Catherine. The title of is Alice Island story history and then year is to 2009 and create the source dialog box. So in the paragraph on the first begin the period of the paragraph insert the situations. So in the paragraph that began on its first of the left of the periods. So on its first paragraph. So first open paragraph and on it first day of paragraph. So this paragraph and to left of the periods end of the paragraph. The left of the periods end of the paragraph and insert the citation for a new source. The source is book to the author is to Waters. So insert the end of the paragraph, insert the citation or new citation of new source box. So go to the reference tabs and go to the citation and bibliography groups and click the add a new source and end of the paragraph insert the citation new source. The source is book. The source is book and the author is Waters Catherine and title is Ellis Island A History and year is to 2019. So 2009 do not close the create source dialog box. So type the author what Water Catherine's Waters Catherine Water Catherine and title is Ellis Island A History. Ellis Island A History and year is 2009 and as the medium type to print. Medium type to print and then click OK. Sorry. Create the source dialog box and completing the source information. City is New York. So city is New York and publisher is to Perspective Publishing. Perspective Publishing. And medium is to click print and click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is by using the addition edit citation dialog box, edit the water citation to include the 37 as the paragraph. So edit the citations. So click the edit the citations and pages to 37 and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is in the sixth line of the paragraph that began originally the islands to the left of the periods following the word material insert the citation for a new source. The source is websites and then author is to Aaron Stephen and name of the web page is to the Visiting Hills Island. Do not close the create source dialog box. In the sixth line of the paragraph that were originally islands. So sixth line of the paragraph. So sixth line of the paragraph begins Originally the island. Began originally the islands. So began originally two islands. So sixth paragraph of the originally islands. So find the originally islands and originally islands. Click the material and left of the periods following the word material and insert the situations for a new source. So go to the reference tabs and go to the situation and bibliography groups and click the add a new source, and next is situation for a new source. The source is websites, author is Aaron Stephen, and name of the page visiting Ellis Island. Do not close the create source dialog box. So type of source is website, the website, and author is Aaron's Aaron Stephen. Aaron Stephen and Aaron Stephen, and next is name of the web page is visiting Hills Island. Visiting Hill Island. And next is in the create source dialog box, continue entering the source information. The year is 2013 and month is type July and days is 17th. And next is create the source dialog box, complete the source and year axis is 2021 and month axis is to March and day axis to 23 and medium is to web, and create the sources and click OK. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is move to the end of the document and then insert the manual page breaks. So move and the documents, insert the manual page break. So go to the insert tabs and go to the page groups and click the insert the page breaks, click OK. And next is with the insertion point in the blank paragraph on the new blank page on the home tab, click the dialog box launcher button in the paragraph dialog box on the indent and spacing tabs under indentations, click special arrow and then click none and click OK. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the dialog box button in the paragraph dialog box on the indent and spacing. So indents and spacing tabs, and next is under the indentations click the special arrow and then click the none, click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is with the insertion points position in the first paragraph of page 4 in the situation and bibliography groups, click the bibliography and then near the bottom of the list click the work credits. So insert the position first paragraph 4 pages and in the citation and bibliography groups and button and list and click the word corrected. So go to the reference tabs, and next is citation and bibliography groups and click the work credits. So insert the work credit bibliography and select the paragraph work credits on the home tabs in the font groups and change the font to Calibri and then change the font size to 11 and click the font color arrow and then in the second column click the first color. So select the work credits. So select the work credits and on the home tabs, so go to the home tabs and font group and change the font is to Calibri and Calibri font is to Calibri and then font size to 11. So font size to 11 and click the font color arrow in the second column first color. So click the font color is second column, first color is black text 1 and next is with the text work credits and still selected in the paragraph group and click the center. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and click the center. Next is with the text work credit still selected in the paragraph group, click the dialog box launchers button and then in the paragraph dialog box change the spacing before to 0 points and then set the line spacing to double and click OK. So with the text work credit still is selected, so select the text and in the paragraph group click the dialog box. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups, open the paragraph dialog box and then paragraph dialog box change the spacing before 0 point before spacing 0 point and then set the line spacing is to double. So click the line spacing is to double and click OK. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So use the source manager to the added name Catherine and name is to Catherine. Source managers added the name. So go to the reference tabs and click the manage source and next is added the name Catherine in the water source to the begin with the K and instead of the C and update the both list. So click the edit and Catherine type the K instead is C, update both list and click OK and click the yes and click close. On the page 1 update the water situations. The bibliography page update the reflect the new spelling of Catherine. So update the situation and bibliography and click update. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is open the navigation pane, use the page to go to the page 3 of the documents and close or open dialog box and pane. So control shortcut button is control F and open the navigation pane and use the pen to go to page 3 of the document and close or open the dialog box and open. So go to click the go to and enter the page number is 3 and click the go to and close all open dialog box. So click close and close is navigation. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is display the backstage view and then show all property. So go to the file tabs and click the info and backstage and show all property. So select the show all property and next is update the document property include the title. So select the title box and type the history of Alice Islands. So type the history of Alice Island and next is update the document property include the comment draft copy of report of our class. So select the comment and draft, type the draft copy of report, draft copy of report for class and press enter. Sorry. Next is update the document include the company's history writing seminar. So select the company dialog box and type the history writing seminar and next is update the document property to include the managers is Dr. Jane Engers. So select the managers and type the doctors Jane Enger. So question number 12 is complete. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So upload the assignment and check the score is Word 3A and 3B simulation exam is 100%. So check the score is Word 3 and 3B simulation exam is 100%. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.